Okay, good evening, ma. So in the today's session, let us see about the string length function. Okay, so what is the syntax for the string length? That is variable. The variable, you can assign any variable. Variable name is equals to strlen, and it is going to take one parameter, that is the name of the string. Okay, so let us begin how you are going to calculate the, or you can find the length of a given string. Okay, if you are going to use any functions of the strings, then you need to include the header file, that is string.h. Okay, so previously we have taken about the comparison, string concatenation. Okay, so whatever, you need to take the string length function, and you need to begin with the main function. And what is this? The string, the the data type for the string, that is name. I have taken the name of the string is as name, name, and I have taken, that is the length of the characters as 15. Okay, that which is type of char. Okay, and I have initialized as a hello. Okay, if you don't want to read, that is statically, and you can dynamically enter the value. So this is the variable way that I have taken len, which it is going to return the length of the given string. Okay, and if you are going to use the scanf, okay, that is for the other functions, but in the strings you are going to use as getS function as scanf. Okay, that is, it is going to read the string, okay, dynamically. Okay, that is getS of name, given name. So it is going to read the value, read the given string in the given array. And what is this? And it is going to return, or it is going to count character by character, and it is going to store the given length in the variable called len. That is why we have taken the data type as integer, because it is going to count whatever the number of characters are there in the given string. Okay, and it is going to, this function, it is going to return to the variable called len. So that is strlen of given string, that is name, where it is stored, that is stored in the name, the string name as name. That's what we have seen. Variable is equals to strlen of string name. Okay, so this is the function, and simply what you need to print. Okay, here it has been taken the length, and simply, and in the output console it need to print whatever the length of the given string. So the printf statement, we have simply written length is equals to %d, and where it has been stored, it has been stored in the variable len. So you need to write the variable name as len. So what is the output, ma? That is, it is going to take h as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 entirely, that is 5 characters. So the length of the given string is 5. So the output is length is equals to 5. Length is equals to, in place of the format specifier, it is going to return the value that is equals to 5. So this is how you can directly count or know the length of the given string by using the strlen string length function. Thank you.